Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Candy Blossom using easy methods. First, let's explore the most straightforward paths to acquiring this delightful item. We'll cover strategies that require minimal effort but yield great results, ensuring you can add Candy Blossom to your collection without any hassle. Get ready to discover simple, effective techniques that anyone can use to succeed quickly and efficiently. Many games offer daily login bonuses, and Candy Blossom often appears as a reward for consistent play. Make sure to log in every single day, even if just for a moment, to claim these valuable items. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-game events. These often feature Candy Blossom as a primary reward for participation, sometimes offering up to 25 pieces per event. Another fantastic way to gather Candy Blossom is by completing various in-game quests and challenges. These tasks are usually straightforward, like collecting 10 specific items or defeating 5 enemies. Many games provide daily or weekly challenges that reward you with a few pieces, and some even offer a substantial bonus of 50 or more for completing major achievements. Finally, don't forget about the in-game shop or trading systems. Sometimes, other players might be willing to trade their Candy Blossom for items you possess. Alternatively, the in-game shop often sells Candy Blossom directly for virtual currency. Keep an eye out for special bundles or sales, which can offer a great deal, sometimes giving you 100 pieces for a reduced price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.